First, how to do Jacob's ladder. First, you need something like this. You need to make sure it's in your elbow. Both tips are on the elbow and on the palm of your hand. Then you're gonna put it on your thumb. This and this. You can see it's on the back of your pinky and on the back of your thumb. Then you're gonna use your 2-point fingers to pick up this side and the right. So you have this. It's called I don't know. Then you're gonna let go of the thumb strings, and you have that. Then you use your thumb to grab the last string like that. And huwag na ako mag-English.
Mabilis, ang tagal na eh.
Then you have that. Pas mo wala. Okay. And then you're gonna get this, the third string, like that. You have a triangle. Then you're let go your the strings on your pinky finger. Then you're gonna grab this string. Then have that. Then you're gonna let go of the let go of the thumb strings. You have the cat's whiskers. Then you're gonna grab the third string like that. Then you have that now. You need to have that before you proceed. Then you're gonna get this part here on your thumb. Then you're gonna go here. Now you're gonna repeat that process on your other hand. There and that. So you're gonna have that. And you have 2 triangles here, as you can see very carefully. And these 2 strings in the bottom of the triangle will be on my point finger. Now you're gonna let loose of the strings on the pinky finger. Then you're gonna let loose on these strings on here on my point finger. Then voila! Ta-da! That's how you do the Jacob's ladder. And now I'm gonna show you how to undo. This is the easiest way to undo the Jacob's ladder. You're gonna get the 2 middle triangles, and then it's on time! Yay! I hope you learned how to make the Jacob's ladder.